Seems today I've got measurements as a bug to make videos. Right, another bit of words of wisdom, whatever. The plywood I selected, I used a machine cut edge from an 8x4 sheet as my square edge. That was quite important because the stainless steel wasn't cut square. There's a lip here and there's a lip there, and if you put the square against it, it's out. So you have to run a square, select one side and work your measurements from that. Okay, I showed a flange bearing earlier on, but I didn't explain what it was. It's got a 20mm hole in the middle, so you want a 20mm flange bearing. Good size, stainless steel, that's what you need. Right, you need about 200 of these, so get them laser cut. 20mm hole in the middle, 60mm disc, 0.9 thickness. Okay, 0.9 of a millimeter. Get about 200 of those. This is for a national. If you're doing a Langstroth or deciding to do a Langstroth, you'll need more of those. Right, the other part of the spacer, well, a spacer, I should say, are just washers, 20mm washers. They do cover the hole quite easily, and they will rattle around, but it'll be nice and tight by the time you finish. Right, these are 3mm washers, thickness. Get 200 of those as well. Get a discount. The other thing, right, the one thing I didn't cover was actually this. Oh no, hang on, I've got the measurements still to cover, but I'll do that in a minute too. I'm using a 25mm angle stainless steel bar. It'll have to be polished up, cleaned up, etc., but that's another time. It forms a base here, it forms another bit apart, and it forms up on top here as well. So I've got about 3 meters of it. Yeah, 3 meters of it. That should be more than adequate for what I need. Right, this bit here, I haven't cut this out yet, so that's my next task. This template, or paper template, you can see the measurements I put on there. I've got a fold line there. I've allowed 5mm for the fold to go over. Not that I'm looking forward to folding 3mm stainless steel. It's for, what do you call it? The guide to go down and back up again. It overhangs a bit on the side, but it sits center of a groove, a channeling, which is not showing on here because I haven't done it yet. The channeling is going to be in HDPE, polycarbonate, no, is it whatever it is, polypropylene, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, there are also 3 holes, 6mm holes that are drilled in this. Notice how they sit up on there, sit on close to that line there. There's a line up here showing, because that section will also be cut from HDPE in that shape. So you have a full size one for metal and a smaller one there for HDPE. It's that which you pushes against the lug of the top bar and pushes it down to the uncapping machine. This bit here is for an attachment of another piece of steel, but I'll cover that later on. Right, I think I've covered everything for the moment. So, back to the studio.